Asalamu alaykum. Hello everybody. Now I will do a delicious salad. I am using a Fusilli white pasta and it is organic and it's optional. If you don't have organic pasta, you can use the normal one. Now I am mixing all my ingredients in a big bowl. Everyone now is looking for healthy salad, healthy food. And this is one of the healthy salad that I'm making right now. And for those still not subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button and ring the bell. I will really appreciate it. And you will get notification for the new upload video that I will do. Now this is my delicious salad. It's almost done. You can see how amazing, how healthy it is. And now we are going to mix it and we'll add some, and now I'm going to add my dressing. This is so delicious and healthy and also organic. Now our salad is ready. Now for the second salad, I will make quinoa salad bowl. This is delicious also and healthy. Everyone is loving quinoa and everyone is now looking for healthy salad, which is very good for the health. Okay, let's start. I'm going to add the chickpeas to the quinoa. It's so simple salad and healthy. Just mixing only little ingredients, not too much ingredients we are using. And this is so delicious. Healthy salad, good for the body, good for the health. So di pa nga pala nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, click nyo lang yung button, subscribe button, tapos click nyo, ring nyo yung bell para magkakaroon kayo ng notification every time na mag-upload ako ng new video. When I make this salad, when I just serve it to Madam and Sir, they love it, even the children. This is so delicious and healthy salad. You can make it in your house, in your home, and this is so easy to do. Itong dalawang recipe na share ko ngayon sa inyo ay napakadali siyang gawin. So easy to make at home.